Good morning, children. Now, let us learn the part 3. They saw Sona wandering about. What happened? Sona was wandering here and there. The talkative rabbit jumped out of a bush and, sitting on his hind legs, stared at Sona. What happened? A rabbit jumped. Then Sona ka dekha hai. Suddenly he burst out laughing. Sona ka dekhe wo hase. Who are you and what are you laughing? Who are you? Tum kaun hai? Why are you laughing at? Asked the Sona angrily. Sona ne bola hai, tum क्यों देख के हंस रही हो? You, ha 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 ha, laughed the rabbit. ऐसा देख के हंस ha 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 ha. Who? The rabbit laughed at camel Sona. You look so funny. What did the rabbit say? You look so funny. The crow told us you were wonderful animal. Crow told me that you were a wonderful animals. You are not wonderful at all, but you are not wonderful at all. You are ugly. You are silly looking. You are very ugly. गंदा देखने में बहुत गंदा है. Look at those long legs. तुम्हारा legs देखो कितना लंबा है. That funny humped back. Back में तो ऊंचा से hump है. At that neck, your neck also very long. Ha 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 ha. The other animal began to laugh too. So आसपास other animal also came. That animal also began laugh with the rabbit. The goat, the snake, the deer, the fox, and others. So many animals came. They surrounded Sona and began making fun of him. So Sona का आसपास आके सब लोग मजा लेने लगे. किसके बारे में? ये कैमल के बारे में. What's your name? What is your name? Asked the Sona. Asked the snake. What's that big hump on your back? क्या है तुम्हारा बैक में एक बड़ा हम्ब है? Let's call him हम्बी. हा हा हा. वो हम्ब को क्या बोलेंगे? हम्बी. हा 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 हा. No, said the goat. Goat बोले no. Who is goat? बकरा. We will call him Flatfoot. उसको क्या कहेंगे? Flatfoot. क्या कहेंगे? Flatfoot. Look at those long legs and those funny flat feet. देखो ये पूरी तरह से जानवर बहुत अगली लग रही हो. बड़े long neck, long leg, and all this. They were laughing at Sona. The goat jumped up and down, showing off his lovely slim legs. तो goat was telling, see मेरा body कितना slim है, कितना प्यारा है. Who said? The goat. Next one you see. What about that silly long neck? Ha ha ha. देखो तुम्हारा long neck देखो. And have you seen his tail? Have you seen his tail? उसको पूंछ देखो. Cried the fox, pointing to the Sona's short little tail. सोना को कैमल को पूंछ बहुत छोटा है. देखो तुम्हारा पूंछ, तुम्हारा टेल कितना गंदा है. It's very bad. Who? The fox. Pointing Sona's short little tail. Look at my beautiful tail. You see my beautiful tail. Added proudly, waving his bushy tail. तो उसका टेल ऐसा हिला के बोला था, see my tail. Don't make fun of him, said the deer. Deer said, don't make fun of him. Who was kind and gentle? Who was kind and gentle here? Deer. Who is deer? Kiran. Look my tail. It is just so small. Poor Sona did not know what to say. Feeling very hurt and angry, he ran to his mother. Sona felt very bad because all are teasing him, laughing at him. You are very ugly, you are not beautiful, like that. All animals was telling. So what happened? The Sona felt very bad and he went to his mother. All the way back, he could hear their laughter. So all their way, so the Sona was just thinking how they teased me. So Sona felt very sad. This is the end of the story. But what is the moral of the lesson? See, the all look different. So some are beautiful, some are not beautiful. But he should not टीस एनीबडीज अपन को उसके बारे में बुरा सोचना मत ही. दिस ऑल गॉड्स क्रिएशन. हु मेड अस? गॉड ओनली made us. So in different color, different and figure, so all are important, all are same in front of God. So we should not tease anybody. That is the moral of the lesson. Okay student, so let us think always positively. We think about others also positively. Okay, bye. Now little bit grammar part is left. We will do that also. But once again I will do this grammar. What are called adjectives? What are called adjectives? See, adjectives are words which tell us more about noun. Adjectives are words which tell us more about noun. For example, they can tell us about their color, size, shape, age and feeling. Yellow sand, tall tree. Yellow sand. So इसमें which is adjective here? Yellow. See, tall trees. So which is adjective here? Tall. Long neck, young sun, cool water, thirsty camel. See, these are the adjectives. This is the exercise. See, fill in the blanks is opposite of the underline. So what is underlined here? You have to write the opposite word. My mother hung out my coat to dry. See, the rain had made it damp. Damp means gila. What do you mean by damp? D-A-M-P, damp? Gila. I filled the blue bucket with a small marble and the red bucket with the large marble. Small, large. Next one. Rohan got dirty playing in the mud, but after he had a bath, he became clean. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. When Mary first saw the lamp, it was thin. She looked after it well and it became plump. Plump. Next one. First thing I do in the morning is brush my teeth. It is also the last thing. First, last. Last thing I do at night. Next one. The puzzle looked difficult. Easy का opposite क्या आएगा? Difficult to solve, but it was actually quite easy. Now which one? Exercise number L. You see, which of these phrases are not correct? Which phrases are not correct? You have to put a cross. See, old woman, old friend, all day. Which phrase is not correct? All day. So we have to put a cross mark. Next one, high soap, high speed, high mountain. Which you have to put a high soap. You have to put a cross. Next one, early morning, early summer, early house. Early house you have to put a cross. Next one, good chair, good news, good luck. Good chair you have to put a cross. Next one, young person, young food and young children. You have to put a young food, you have to put a cross. Big decision, big mistake, big laughter. You have to put a cross on big laughter. All other things I will send in PDF. These are the exercises. Here, what are called adjectives? You have to put a mark, underline, and you have to learn the definition of adjective. It can come for the examination. Okay, student. I hope you understood the lesson. Okay, bye.